Yo, test it then. It's yours truly, Madness KMA, and I'm back once again with another exclusive Garage Report. So here we go again. It's another week, it's another Wednesday, and it's another show. And to tell you about this one, to say it's an exclusive, it's exclusive to me because I did feature it on the radio show that I was doing for that week. And then I power played it each day with one of the main tracks on the A side, which I believe should become a new sing-along to today's evolution of garage music. We love the old school. We love to sing along to the old school, and we know all the words, word for word, with some of the sing-alongs from the females and the male artists in the business. And of course, the MC inside, well, that's another story. I'm talking about the female-led singing attributes that should be at the forefront, along with the bass heavy tunes that the MCs can ride over for the garage evolution. Talking about the garage evolution, I have to say credit where it is due and shout to all those behind the scenes at Garage Nation for their concert that took place on the weekend at the O2 Arena. Round of applause. Round of applause. Because you deserve it. It looked like an awesome show. Although I didn't get the invite to go backstage for the Garage Report, we'll do it next time. Next year round, who knows how the story unfolds. But respect where respect is due. Because like I say, on the main stage is where garage should be now for the mature listener as well as the old school, then the new school listeners as well. And one day it might get there because garage is never dead. It never, I hate when people say that phrase, to say garage has died. It died a long time ago when it went commercial. It died when the two-step angle came in. It died when the MCs came on. No, it didn't. It went underground and it came back to the top again. The cream always rises to the top, as they say. Why for the cream rising to the top? But you know what I mean? It's talking about the evolution. We want to see it on big stages like that. Of course, I've always sung the praises of DJ Spoonie and Katie Chatburn for the orchestra band that they do with the Royal Albert Hall performances and Kew Gardens and that sort of things. That's where garage should be. So respect to all those that's pushing it in the right direction. I want to also give an honourable shout out to MC Viper for doing his part, as well as another honourable shout to DJ AG Online, because it's pushing music in the right direction. There's no gatekeepers for this thing. It's about great music. It's about great talent. And to be able to have a platform to push it out there, it's what really helps the evolution. Because back in the day, I say it so many times, we didn't have social media, as you know, for the older generation. We had pirate radio. That was our evolution. That was the rebel with a cause. That was our sound system culture. That was our social media of the 90s. So to be able to have certain platforms like TikTok, big up to TikTok, shout to Instagram and YouTube, to be able to provide the platforms for us to do our thing in our own way for creating content that pushes the artists out and that sound of a specific genre that means something to you, heartfelt, emotions, different kind of roller coaster of feelings, a mixed bag, mixed emotions. As I said, this is the way forward. This is social media, and this is Pirate Chronicles media channel right here on YouTube. This is where you like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you'd like to donate to the channel, or if you want to offer a sponsorship partnership deal for an episode, or to sponsor the whole entire series of Garage Report, then do get in contact with me, because all the relevant links are down below in the description, as you know already. So like I said, this one is something that I featured on the radio show that I was doing, and I played it every day because I absolutely love this tune. Now, we're talking about the one and only Dean from DEM 2. Now, Dean from DEM 2 created that two-step sound, as you've known from the DEM 2 episode that I did when he was with his partner at the time. But as a solo, you could tell where the influence and sound came from. Now, Dean has continued to push music in his own rights, in his own timeline. His musicality is still outstanding to this day, which is why he gave me that exclusive project, which will be coming out on a vinyl release, I do believe, on the New York Sound Clash label, I do believe again. And this tune, Out of Love with You, Oh, I fell in love with it as soon as I heard it. I didn't hold back no punches. I played it every day on the radio show. And of course, to let you know about it, this is the video that I promised to say that I would do. On one side, you have a track called It's Over, which is going to be coming up next in the Madify section. And of course, Out of Love, which is the biggest tune on there as well, which is a new sing-along in 2025. So now, without further ado, let's get into this one right now from DEM 2, world exclusive. Well, for those that haven't heard it, but I've been playing it for a while. I think I'm going to call this one track number 2. I don't know which side it's going to be on, but I'm going to call this one track number 2. It's Over from DEM 2, brand new music. One for the bubblers, one for the bubblers. From the intro, it sets that precedence. And you know what? Dean is a bad boy producer. And again, for House and Garage, UK Garage, that's a vibe, man. Now, you can imagine back in the day with Twice as Nice or a Freakin' You or a Sun City, you could play those kind of tunes in a main stage. I wish one day that we could go into a main stage club and on main stage DJs are playing tunes like this and the crowd is bubbling. Remember how couples met back in the day? You could have met your partner and still be with them today because you was moving to the same groove. Today you have kids, you have grandbabies, and all of that happened for all of that good stuff. We used to say that thing or hear the elders from us saying that about lovers rock, about soul music and a blues dance back in the days. But you know, come on. That kind of music there should be heard on main stage today. That would be great, wouldn't it? Come with me, right? So that one's called It's Over. DEM 2 on the buttons. I wonder if they should change the name to DEM 1. DEM 1, because it's just Dean. And Dean is an amazing producer, like I said, give him props all day, every day. Entry number 2. Now, this is the big one on the vinyl. Out of Love with You. Huge response that I got from this one. As soon as I played it out on radio, I got contacts from everybody saying, hey, I can't find a tune. Where do I get this now? Or what's the date release? What do you mean? You're the only one that's got it. Now, I might sound like, oh, yes, he said he's Johnny Big Potatoes and Rare Tear. But this is the music game and how it used to go. We was given tunes from producers because they know the works that we were put in to support it. And that's what I did with this one. And I'm doing it even now with this one here. Out of Love. Big sing-along tune. Wheel. I don't normally do that. You know my format, Report Family. I'll let the tune play and then I'll give a reaction after it. But man, it touches your spirit. Your spirit. It touches it. The emotions run with this one. Out of Love. Now, this is what we need in 2025. Producers out there, take it from Uncle Madness. We need some more vocal sing-along tunes. So in 20 years' time, you'll be singing these as national anthems. From the top. When the pads come in, you know it's something serious. Then the bass line. Then the vocals. It's a song. Hear this. Let's go again.
Your body is amazing, but that's not enough. I call your bluff. You want me to be something else entirely. Where does it all end? I'm losing all my friends, changing my hair, clothes that I wear, wasting all my time. Need to take back what is mine. All the things you made me do, but nothing's good enough for you. Check your ego out, we can do without it. I'm falling out of love with you. Out of love with you. What you put me through. Why'd you try to change me, rearrange me? Out of love with you, scared of something new. If you say you love me, can't you trust me? You come at me begging. I don't want no stressing. The trouble, it hurts more than it's worth. Better living on my own, even if I feel alone. All the things you ever said, they keep on messing with my head. Try to let them go, in my heart I know I'm falling out of love with you. Out of love with you. For what you put me through. Why'd you try to change me, rearrange me? Out of love with you, scared of something new. If you say you love me, can't you trust me? All out of love with you. All out of love with you. All out of love with you. All out of love.
Wheel. Oh, come on. Come on. Dean from DEM 2. Report Family. Round of applause. Jeez. How would you like to see that on a main stage? Come on, man. Producers. Seriously. Get with some real vocals. Get some real vocalists. I love the chippy choppy sample vocals and that. Yeah, we come from that and we can do that now in 2025. But making a song? Now that's skills. The musicality, the structure. His formula says that's someone with experience on the buttons, on the vocals. Actually, I don't know who's on the vocals. Dean, you're gonna have to let me know so I can leave it in the comment section down below. And also in the comment section down below is all the relevant links to myself and of course the artist or producer who I feature on the show will all be down below, as well as the, if you wanna gift me, buy me a Starburst, and you know, it's all good to go, man, because you know, I ain't got the Starburst here today. The channel needs an upliftment. I need some new equipment. I need to upgrade, because this year I have to put in all my work and all my hard graft, and as well as so much going on behind the scenes with me filming behind the scenes for Podcron. Yes, that's coming. So many inquiries still. Hold tight, hold fire, because it's coming soon. I'm building up the catalogue. I'm not just going to release one episode and then the next one and then the next one. It has to be back-to-back consecutive episode releases for the Podcron series, which is coming soon right here on the main hub, which is Pirate Chronicles series channel. That's the hub. Like, subscribe, comment and share. Click the notification bell so you do not miss an upload when I upload. I'm seeing so many people now going back through the playlist of season 1 and season 2, because I can see the comments coming up. I'm like, oh, that was last season. Okay, cool. That means people are going through. So I'm checking the analytics and it's working, but I need more of a drive. If you are a big influencer out there and you're a fan of UK Garage and you like what I do right here as Madness KMA, like me or not, share the video out, give it a repost. Make sure you tag me in there as well so people can know where the source come from, because this is about time with Boss on a bigger scale. It's growing. Slowly but surely. Yes, it's getting up there with the numbers, with subscribers and the comments, but the views on the actual main landscape videos on YouTube needs to rise much more. I will not be going to the boosters. I've got enough of them in the DM saying about, we can offer you this promotional plan, Madness. We can do this for your channel. We can do that. Your SEO, it needs this work. It needs that. I understand that. But if it's genuine companies out there, please do get in contact with me through the correct channels. Send me an email and make me know that you're genuine, because there's so many people out there that says, yes, we've got genuine followers that will add to your subscribers and all these kind of things. And when you check out for it, in fact, I won't even go into that, because next minute it'd just be like, I'll get cancelled for saying the wrong thing. You got to let me know through the correct channels that is serious, real business, all right? Anyway, like, subscribe, comment and share. How did you feel that one? I was feeling it. You see the emotions on my face. It was spread that with this project here, coming out on vinyl. DEM 2, brand new release, Out of Love. That's the A side as far as I'm concerned. And the B side's got to be It's Over. And that's it. Over for the episode. I'm out.